Hi everyone, so today we are going to talk about how to use your library card in the MRCPL app. So the first thing you're going to notice is that little card emblem on the bottom right corner. If you select that, it's going to take you to all of your cards. So for this video, we use 3 separate cards, but you are able to put as many as you want or just keep to the one card. Now you'll notice that it also gives you your library card number, your name, when the card expires, and then you are able to sign out of any of the cards or reset the PIN numbers. And then you can also switch between barcodes. You'll see if you hit tap to switch barcode, it's going to cover up that top one and show you that second one. That way you are able to scan it whenever you need to scan a card and it won't scan the other ones. And then we also have an option to set as primary, so whatever card you feel is your primary card, you can put that on top. It'll always appear on top and you can use that one. And then I will also show you how to access your account information. So if you hit that person in the top right corner there, it shows you general information, holds, checked out. And you can see address, email, phone number, so you can edit any of those. Holds, we don't have any holds on these cards right now, but all of your holds will appear along with your checked out items as well. And then any fees you have, those will show up. And then that last button is just our privacy policy statement. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoy the MRCPL app.